guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another cash envelope stuffing, and this is paycheck number 3 of September. So let's get right into this video. Alright, so starting off with electricity. Electricity is getting its usual $50. Next is car insurance, and car insurance is getting $45. So I don't have my car insurance envelope with me at the moment. I actually have to make a new one. It ripped up all on the sides and everything. Well, this one is still holding on to the edges a little bit, so I definitely need to make me a new electricity and car insurance envelope. So I'm just gonna leave that on the back of this for now. Okay guys, on to my cash envelopes. Alright, so starting off with groceries. Groceries is getting $120. So 120. Okay, next is gas, and gas is getting $40. 20, 40. Spending is getting 50. Beauty is getting $5. Okay, last is giving, and giving is getting $5. Okay guys, on to my sinking funds. Okay, so starting off with Lanesia. Lanesia is getting $50. She has 5,000, 6,000, 500, 7,000, 500, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8,000, 50, 70, 95, 100. Okay, so Lanesia has $8,100. Okay, so 8,100. Next is Jaden, and Jaden is also getting $50. Jaden has 5,000, 6,000, 500, 7,000, 500, 6, 7, 8, 900, 50, 70, 95, 8,000. Okay, so Jaden is at $8,000. Okay, next is family time, and family time is getting $10. Okay, so you guys, I'm gonna update you guys a little bit on the orders. So I did drop off about 30 orders on Friday. I'm dropping off 30 more packages today, and I'm gonna try to drop off another 30 tomorrow. If not tomorrow, it's gonna be Wednesday. So thank you guys so much for your patience. I'm trying to get all the orders out as soon as possible. So thank you guys for your orders and everything, for supporting me and my business. So I'm trying my best over here, guys. I just need some more time. I'm gonna definitely get out all the orders by this week. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 400, 10, 20, 30. So 430 in family time. Next is Drip, and Drip is getting $10. Drip is my clothing envelope, me and my kids' clothing envelope. So we have 1, 2, 300, 20, 40, 50, 60. So is that, yeah, 360. Okay. Alright guys, onto my emergency fund binder. Alright, so starting off with my cash emergency fund, that is getting a $5. $1,000, $20, $40, $5, $50, $5. So I have $1,055 in my cash emergency fund. Okay, next is my home emergency fund, and that is getting $210. 1, 210. $10,000, $11,000, $500, $6, $7, $8, $9, $12,000, $1, $2, $300, $50, $400, $50, $70, $90, $5, $10, $5, $30, $40, $50, $5, $60. Okay, so we have 12,000, was it $560 in my home emergency fund. Next is my car emergency fund, and that is getting $40. We have 1,000, 5, 6, 700, 20, 40, 60, 80, 825. So 1825 in my car emergency fund. Okay, next is health, and health is getting $5. 5, 6, 700, 10, 25, 30. $730 in health. Alright guys, onto my scratch off challenge. Alright, so we're gonna scratch off this one. So 40 from the gold. And so we're gonna scratch off this one. 35 from the diamond. Okay, so 135 from diamond and 40 from gold. So that is a total of $175 that we will be stuffing in my home emergency fund next week. Alright guys, onto my pink sparkles binder. Alright guys, onto Christmas. Christmas is getting $25. You guys remember when I talk about doing a what's in my gym bag? So I also try to film like my workout routine at the gym, but people are just staring so much, and I'm like pretty shy when people just be staring while I work out. So but I'm gonna still come through with some footage, guys. I'm gonna put it all together and make a video, so just stay tuned for that. I don't know when it's gonna be posted because I'm still trying to get bits of pieces of videos all together. So yeah, Christmas is getting 25. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 400, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 95, 85, 90, 95, 400. So, yes, $400. Next is back to school, and back to school is getting $5. And I also did get video requests on like a pack with me video again, but you guys, it's just I've been super busy with packing orders that I don't really have time to record it, because recording it does take more time. So like I'm trying to just get all these orders out because it's just been a minute, you know, and it's just I'm backed up right now, so I can't do no pack with me video. And I do have orders on Apsara as well, so I definitely got to get all these orders out by the end of this week. So we have 1, 2, 100, 10, 15. So 215 in back to school, 215. You know the Eagles are undefeated at the moment. So we 3-0. Invest isn't getting stuff. Gifts is getting $20. 1, 2, 300, 20, 40, 60, 85. So we have 385 in gifts. Alright guys, my birthday is on Thursday. I'm turning 29 on Thursday the 29th. Libra gang. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Be safe. Bye.